Anna Atkins was a scientist, botanist and artist. In 1843, she published the first book illustrated with photographs. She created cyanotypes of plants and labeled each print. This video will show you how. To make your own label, you need paper, scissors, a permanent marker, a rag and linseed oil. Start by writing the scientific name of your plant on a piece of paper. Cut the paper in the shape of a label. Take linseed oil and stroke the paper on both sides. Leave the label to dry for 24 hours. As the label dries, it will become even more transparent. Take a sheet of cyanotype paper, place the label and the flower on top. Secure it with a piece of glass and some clips. Expose the cyanotype in the sun for about 30 minutes or until the paper turns green. Wash the print for 10 minutes under running water. Here are two prints. The one on the left was printed just as it is. The flower was simply placed on top. But for the one on the right, I pressed the flower between two boards before printing. This way the print became sharper. Have fun printing your cyanotypes.